My passion was really in the environment, and so I wanted to see what was the single biggest thing that I could do to make a positive impact on the environment. So starting in 2001, I got together with my business partner, GreatPoint Energy, who's an environmental engineer by background, and an old friend of mine. And we said, what's the single biggest thing we could do? And we decided that was to take the dirtiest fuel in the world and convert it into the cleanest fuel in the world. So taking coal, converting it into natural gas. I think that the absolute best way to neutralize risk from people that might be detractors is to bring them in as partners. And so we've worked very closely with the environmental community to make sure they understand what we're doing, why we're doing it. I love building things, so I used to build robots, I built laser communication devices, I built ethanol engines for fun. That's what I love doing. At some point I said, how can I turn this into a career? So I absolutely love creating an idea and then seeing it brought to market. I've always found the number one thing, no matter what industry I've been involved in, is having the smartest people in the world to help me. Having the best possible management team, the strongest experts, and people that have been through this before. It's about coming up with something that's so compelling that it's not just exciting to you, but it's exciting to the people around you. And if it's exciting to the people around you, then it's exciting to investors, and it's exciting to employees. And I think having a goal that isn't just about money. Obviously that's important, it has to be profitable, it's not going to be able to attract investors unless it can be immensely profitable. But having a goal that goes beyond that really motivates people to a whole different level. Starting a company is definitely a roller coaster. Somehow when I got started I thought, by the time I've started a few companies the roller coaster will even out, and it never evens out. And you have to be able to take the good with the bad. And the things that I've done that I think have helped a lot, I could never start a company without having business partners. I think it's absolutely critical to have co-founders, because there are days when you're down and they're up and they bring you up, and days when you're up and they're down and you need to bring them up. And I don't think that I would be capable of doing this without having that type of backup to help me. I think people have lots of different strategies. Mine's always been on focusing on an issue in the market or something that bothers me on a daily basis and trying to see how I can solve it. And for me, that's worked. I've been able to start companies in the biotech space, I've been able to start companies in the high-tech space, in IT, and in energy. And it's always been based on seeing a problem and trying to find a solution to it.